Primary, secondary and tertiary health facilities like the Yobe State Specialist Hospital here in the Maturu are getting the required attention from government. This week on Impact Yobe, we speak with the State Commissioner for Health, Lawan Ghana, on healthcare development in the pride of the Sahel. My name is Michael Oshoma. Welcome to the program.
Ahead of the 2023 rainy season, Governor Mai Mala Buni has directed the Yobe State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, to put measures in place for prevention of flood. At a meeting with leaders of communities affected by flooding in Gaidam local government area, SEMA initiated communication with relevant agencies responsible for repair of damaged roads and drainage. Out of the 27 roads and drainage destroyed in the flood disaster of 2022, 24 have been repaired and now accessible. The Executive Secretary of SEMA, Mohammed Goje, will commence a high-level stakeholders engagement with community leaders in flood-prone areas, said it is aimed at implementing measures for relocation and prevention.
These are some of the contingent measures. You know, the 2022 flooding has been devastating, and some of the beneficiaries are also part of the victims that we to support. And we're also having a third phase through our partnership with some people from the ADP. We will support another 100 plus household with fish farming tools. And coming to the flood preparation, we have sent our early warning sign. We have received the report from NIMET, and His Excellency Governor Mai Mala Buni has directed that we should act on the NIMET report and disseminate the finding accordingly. Today, Thursday, we're having a meeting with GAIDAM stakeholders to start preparation for evacuating communities that this early warning is affecting them, and also look for a suitable, befitting environment for those that are willing to go, so that they can start the farming in a new environment, so that it will not affect their output after the season. And another thing we did was to send signals to our sister agency, Ministry of Environment, Ministry of Works, to ensure that roads and drainages that are being affected in 2022 are fully repaired. Of course, out of the 27 roads, His Excellency has ensured that over 21 are repaired, and some of the remaining 6 are still ongoing. And we have sent alert, and we'll keep contacting religious, traditional leaders, civil society organizations to sensitize the public on how best they can mitigate the consequences of flood.
Members of the State House of Assembly representing Gaidam constituencies applaud SEMA for the initiative and the strategies adopted in discharging its duties.
Actually, this meeting is very important to me and my entire constituency, due to the fact that last year about 6 communities, the flooding has destroyed their place. Even we evacuate them to move them to the temporary site. The meetings show that that people are living in the temporary site. They move to the permanent site. We are doing this meeting to how to relocate that community to their permanent site. To me, the meeting is very important, and important to my people that I represented them in this city.
Mai Mala Buni is a really politician. That is why you see at the first election, some people are saying PDP leading the Yobe state government, this is the first time. Yeah? When we came to the election of the governor now, see what he give a large gap to the PDP, because he's a man of the people.
More than 150 households have been supported with grinding machines to complement their existing businesses and increase their income. As part of the intervention by the Yobe State Emergency Management Agency, SEMA, the beneficiaries would also be supported with startup packages in the second phase of the program to small business owners who are females and youths. The beneficiaries were drawn from Potiskum, Gaidam, and Damaturu local government areas. Delivering the items to the beneficiaries, the Executive Secretary of SEMA, Mohammed Goje, called on the beneficiaries to make good use of the items.
Those who do their business at their doorstep, female-headed and male-headed household, to give them a set of sewing machine. And for this second phase, we gave another 165 still smallholder household, mostly women-headed household and youth-headed household, grinding machine. We choose this scale because His Excellency Governor Mai Mala Buni has directed that within available resources, we should encourage and empower youth, especially those in IDP host communities and those that have recently returned to their communities, with business packages that will empower them and boost their livelihood. So we identified 165, some from Gaidam, some in Damaturu, some from Potiskum, but majority in Damaturu because that's where the hub of the IDP host community is. And we interviewed them on their experience, on the skill, and they identified interest on grinding machine, so we enrolled them and we brought them on board to give them the package, full package for the startup.